This is Brandon from SwiftTech here to talk about the upgrades that we did for well number 9 in the spring of 2018. So let's get straight into it. What we did is we replaced the existing motor control center with a main disconnect panel with an 800 amp main. We added another soft start, and in addition with the existing soft start, which will be now formed as a backup, and the new soft start will be as a primary. Both soft starts being fed out of the main disconnect panel with a 500 amp breaker, going into the soft start, and then out of the soft start into the transfer switch. After the transfer switch is basically controlled via SCADA. In addition to the soft start upgrades, we also added a 15 kVA transformer, which basically feeds the house panel for all the branch circuitry inside the well house, inside the chlorine room. As you can see here, we also have motor starters that we installed, one for the exhaust fan for the main well room, and then the chlorine booster pump, which is to be controlled via SCADA. We also installed a thermostat, which controls the exhaust fan for the main well room and the motorized dampers. So basically, if it drops above, or if it goes above 90 degrees, the exhaust fans kick on, and then after it drops below 90 degrees, the fans shut off, just to simulate that. Okay, and to simulate below 90 degrees, we also installed an extension onto the user interface for the Siemens Soft Start, so it can actually be controlled and changed safely without actually having live connections in front of it. You can monitor and control all your functions and all of your coasting speeds, ramp up, ramp down, monitor all your voltages and all your currents. If any questions as far as programming, refer to the user manual.
Ready? Yeah, let's go. Do you want to put me in